In step 3, I'm now ready to do some editing. So I have my movie, I'm going to double click it, and now I'm going to drag my footage. So I'm going to click it and select it. I'm going to drag it down here, and then I want to add in a title and background. So I'm going to click up here where it says backgrounds, and I'm going to drag a background in. Now this is the background that's going to intro before my first video. But I don't want it to just be a background. I want to go and add a title in as well. There's a lot of titles to choose from. It doesn't matter which title you choose. I am going to choose this one because it's centered. And I'm going to let it drop. And then I'm going to title my text. So this is the archery unit. So I've typed it in. I can select the text. I can change the font. I can change the size. I can also change if it's bold, if it's italicized, or if it's outlined. Any of those options work just fine. Once I'm done with the text, then I'm going to hit the check mark. Now, when I dropped the text in, you can see that there are these yellow lines. Those yellow lines signify that my text is the same length as the background. Now, in between my title and background and the first segment, I'm going to go ahead and add a transition. So I'm going to click transitions at the top. There's a number of transitions to choose from, and you just drag it in between. So now as I play,
I'm Alyssa. And I'm Taylor.
There is a transition between my background and text and my first segment. Now, before I close this, I need to hit the project's back button so that it saves my work, and that is step 3.